Billionaire Blueprint Review, the ultimate guide to 200 timeless wealth habits, and the PLR Business Opportunity Introduction, the silence of real wealth. A few months ago, I stumbled upon something that fundamentally shifted my understanding of success. It wasn't a loud, flashy Instagram reel featuring a rented Lamborghini. It wasn't Tia Guru screaming about how to make $10,000 in the next 24 hours. It was a quiet clip. In the video, a man, a billionaire, though he didn't look like the caricature of one, was explaining how he made decisions. He wasn't talking about hustle. He wasn't talking about working 18-hour days. He was talking about what he ignored. He spoke about what he refused to chase. He spoke about the emotional discipline required to sit on his hands for years, waiting for the right moment to strike. It was calm, it was clear, and it was radically different from the noise that clutters our social media feeds. That moment clarified a singular truth. People aren't confused about money. They are confused about how wealthy people think. We live in an era where everyone wants the tactics. They want the stock tip, the crypto coin, or the dropshipping hack. But the patterns of elite thinkers, the Billionaire Blueprint, are rarely about the what. They are almost entirely about the how and the why. Today, I am reviewing a product that captures this essence perfectly, the Billionaire Blueprint. This is not just a review of a digital course. It is a deep dive into a comprehensive system of 200 proven wealth habits. Furthermore, we are going to explore the incredible business opportunity attached to it. This package comes with full, unrestricted use, writes PLR, meaning you can not only learn from it but also sell it, brand it, and claim it as your own. If you are looking to build wealth, or if you are looking to build a business teaching others how to build wealth, this is the most important article you will read this year. What is the Billionaire Blueprint? Defining the asset at its core. The Billionaire Blueprint is a massive, structured collection of knowledge. It is a documentation of the 200 timeless habits, mental models, and decision-making frameworks used by the world's wealthiest individuals to build, scale, protect, and transfer wealth across decades. But unlike a standard ebook or a generic video course, this product is designed as a dual-purpose asset for the user. It is a transformational guide to rewiring your brain for high-level capital allocation and long-term success. For the entrepreneur, it is a business in a box because it comes with private label rights, PLR. You are purchasing the source code to the content. You can edit it, put your name on it, and sell it to the millions of people desperate for this information. The problem it solves. Why is this product exploding in popularity right now? Because the market is tired of hustle porn. For the last decade, the internet has been flooded with motivation. Grind harder, sleep when you're dead, massive action while hard work is necessary. It is not the differentiator. If hard work were the only requirement for wealth, construction workers and nurses would be the billionaires of the world. The differentiator is leverage and judgment. The Billionaire Blueprint addresses the gap between working for money and designing systems that create wealth. It moves the conversation from how do I make a quick buck to how do I cultivate the habits that make wealth inevitable over a decade. The philosophy, thinking versus tactics. Before we dive into the specific contents and the PLR rights, we must understand the philosophy behind this blueprint. The sales copy for this product hits on a profound realization. Wealth is built long before money shows up. This is the crux of the Billionaire Blueprint. It posits that being a billionaire isn't about the number in the bank account. It's about the operating system running in the brain. The three pillars of the blueprint, the 200 habits contained in this package, generally fall into three philosophical pillars. Optionality. The rich obsess over keeping their options open. They avoid debt that forces them to work, and avoid commitments that limit their freedom. They position themselves so that they never have to say yes, which gives them the power to wait for the perfect opportunity. Leverage. Wealthy people never trade time for money. They trade results for money. They use code, media, capital, and people to multiply their output. The blueprint teaches you how to identify leverage points in your own life. Asymmetric risk. The poor gamble. The wealthy take calculated risks where the downside is capped. They can only lose a little. But the upside is unlimited. They can make millions. This distinction is vital, and the blueprint breaks down how to spot these opportunities.